In this question, you have to identify the animal that does not undergo metamorphosis. Option A, artworm. Now, metamorphosis refers to the transformation of larva into an adult, and animals that perform metamorphosis are said to have indirect development. But in artworm, the development is direct, which means no larval stage and hence no metamorphosis. Because artworm hatch from eggs as miniature version of adults and grow gradually to the full size. Hence, this is the correct option. Option B, tunicate. It is incorrect because tunicates do undergo metamorphosis because their life cycle includes a free swimming larva that settles and transformed into a sessile adult with significant changes in body structure. Option C, starfish. It is also incorrect because starfish undergo metamorphosis. They start as a bilaterally symmetrical larva and undergo a dramatic transformation to become radially symmetrical adults. Option D, moth. It is also incorrect because moths also undergo metamorphosis, which includes distinct egg larvae, which are popularly known as caterpillar, then pupa and adult stages.